Managing an entire YouTube channel alongside running an entire business, it's not an easy task. To keep growing your YouTube channel, you have to keep analyzing the videos that you have already posted. And for each video, you get this detailed analytics from YouTube Studio. Something like this retention graph, the viewers graph, the watch time graph, the subscriber count, the reach graph, CTR graph, audience engagement, and a lot of different metrics. And this is just for one video. When we have created 50s or hundreds of videos, this is a lot of data. And we cannot just keep on analyzing this data every single day. Now, alongside managing an entire YouTube channel, I also run an entire business where we build AI agents, SaaS, to make an entire business AI native. And in my team, we have 20 plus developers who are working with clients all across the world. So managing a YouTube channel alongside running that business is getting very hectic for me. So what I've done is we have created this entire YouTube Studio Claude agent, which has a lot of skills, which also have a lot of hooks and can store each and every data into this entire folder as well. So I only have to chat with this YouTube Studio Claude agent, which can analyze my real-time data as well as can go over to my competitors' data, can analyze their own channel, can analyze what type of videos they are making, and can then suggest me the next videos. Then it will be able to suggest me what I can improve in my current videos, what type of videos I should make next, so that I can keep growing my YouTube channel alongside running my entire business. So by the end of this video, I will show you how you can download this YouTube Studio Claude agent, how you can set it up in your own machine, and I will teach you how you can start using all these skills, all these hooks, as well as how you can start collecting your data so that this Claude agent can keep growing with you, can keep analyzing your competitors' data, your own data, and can keep suggesting you newer and newer videos for your own channel. Well, hey everybody, I am Prakash Gupta and I run Small AI, where we teach how to build AI agents and how you can make your business AI native. And if you're a business owner who wants to make their business AI native by using tools like Claude Code, N8N, and building softwares for your entire business, book a 1v1 call with me right now and let's make your business AI native. Alright, so let's get started with this YouTube Studio agent. And to download this entire thing, you can simply go to the description of this video and you will find the link to this GitHub repo. And in this, you will be able to find the configurations, the docs, hooks, skills, each and everything that is mentioned here. And you can simply clone this by copying this HTTPS link, and you can simply copy it and go to your VS Code and ask Claude Code to clone this repo, and then Claude Code will simply clone this into your machine. Perfect. So now I already have done that. What you need to do next is you can simply go to Claude Code and give in your YouTube API. So go to .en, this is the main file, which is similar to this one, and in this you will have to paste in your YouTube API key, and you can get this YouTube API key just by simply going to Google Cloud. Just open the first link, go to the console, and here you will need to create a project. So I already have a project, but you can simply go here and you can start with clicking on new project, and then you will have to create a project, right? Once you've done that, you can go over to APIs and services, and you will have to enable two APIs, that is YouTube Analytics API as well as YouTube Data API. Once you've enabled these APIs, you will need to go to credentials, and then you will need to create a OAuth 2.0 client ID. This is something you don't have to learn. You can simply go to Claude Code, simply say I need to get YouTube API key, and Claude Code will guide you to everything else. So don't worry about that. Alright, so now that we have set everything up, let's start using this agent. I'm simply going to say, what are my top performing videos? And now this is going to take some time. It is going to check out my YouTube Studio, fetch all the analytics, and going to get me the top performing videos for me. Alright, so now it has fetched all the data, and you can see it was able to fetch the top 10 videos which have best number of views. So the first one is this one, which got 631,000 views. It got 22,000 likes. This is the title. 31k, 500 likes. This is the title. 28k, 750 likes. This is the title. And it has all this data right here. Let's ask something else. What are my competitors making? This is a very genuine question any YouTuber has to ask. So it has completed this research as well, and you will be able to see. So Ben AI is making videos like 8 Claude skills I can't live without. Zen Automate was able to create this video and it got 14,000 views. Patrick created this video, it got 9,000 views. Agrichi created this video, it got 6,000 views, and all these different things. So basically, I don't have to go over YouTube, search for my competitor name, search for different things, and then be able to analyze what views are they getting. My Claude agent can then do everything. Now, what I'm going to do is, based on this research, suggest me what video should I make, how long should it be. The goal is to get high number of views. That's it. It is going to analyze from my competitors, my own data, and then it is going to suggest me the right video I should make. Alright, so it has been able to understand each and everything. Now, after analyzing my competitors' data as well as my own data, it came up with these 3 topics. One is 7 Claude skills that replaced my $2,000 per month SaaS stack. How I'd sign up my first client using Claude. I built an SEO agent in Claude skills with the free template. So I can use either of the topic and I can start creating a video out of it. Right, so I can pick up any topic and it is recommending me to pick up the first topic, that is 7 Claude skills that replaced $2,000 per month of SaaS stack. Perfect. Now, till now, what we have done is we have analyzed our own channel, we have analyzed competitors' channel. Now let's try to analyze the retention graph of a video. So I'm simply going to say analyze the retention of my past 2 videos and tell me what to fix. Alright, so it has the detailed graph. Let's see this. So the caveat is, of course, it is not able to analyze the transcript because of the IP is blocked, but it is able to analyze the curves. Here is a summary that it gave me. So there are no mid video dips. The problem is simpler and worse. So both videos lose half their audience in the first 30 to 50 seconds and then bleed gradually. After the first 90 seconds, the curve is roughly exponentially decay. So here are the fixes that it is suggesting me that show the final result in the first 8 seconds. Cut the intro section by 75%, reprompt at 45 seconds. So promise something new that's coming at minute 5 or 10. And ship shorter. So I should make shorter videos. Alright, so let's cut this video right here so that the video is shorter. Anyway, so this is a Claude Code skill that we have built. And of course, if you want to add newer skill that can help you make scripts and everything, just go over to Claude Code, ask it to do it, and it's going to add that thing into your own Claude agent. Perfect. So if you like this video, make sure that you click on the like button as well as subscribe to my entire channel. If you're a business owner who's looking to make their business AI native, make sure that you book a 1v1 call with me so that me and my 20 developer team can convert your business to AI native without you breaking a sweat. Alright, thank you for watching.